Wi-Fi problem and many students were not coming today. Only 25 participants are there.
Why?
Don't know, sir. And moreover, he was having Wi-Fi problem with him. So he said that we will continue class tomorrow. And left us by 12:10.
And by the way, tomorrow our class will be from 10:30 to 11:30.
Yes, sir.
Your, I think you don't know your seniors. I think you did not see them at all. Seniors batch में Adnan Mansoor करके, there is a guy from Kerala. Listening?
Yes.
Any Keralites? Any Keralites in the class? Respond, man.
Yes, sir.
Any Keralites in the class? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Only
Yes, sir.
Mohammed said.
Yes, sir.
Isa, MA, और कोई Keralites in the group, in the class?
Muhammad Ismail also, sir.
Mohammed Rabiq, Jasim, and Sufyan.
Jasim, you're also from Kerala? Anyhow, the point which I want to make is, he says ranks, mains ka ranks, or main, not ranks, mains ka percentile will be coming on March 7th. He is expecting a score of 226 out of 300 in mains. He is expecting a score of 225 out of 300. 75% marks. Finally, we should see what rank he'll get. Ranks and all, you'll be knowing after the completion of all the 4 mains exams. So when I spoke to him yesterday, he says he's expecting 226, in fact, not 225, 226. नेक्स्ट ईयर आप लोग क्या करोगे अल्लाह जाने. पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, पहले से पढ़ोगे सेकेंड ईयर में इजी हो जाएगा. सेकेंड ईयर में देख लेंगे, फर्स्ट ईयर में लाइट लेके पढ़ोगे, इट विल ट्रबल यू. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Dot product, but before dot product, एक theorem है. They will not ask in the exam, but you should know it. Look here. Right. ABC is a triangle. S is circumcenter and O is orthocenter. Then first question, SA bar plus SB bar plus SC bar is equals to SO bar. Second question, OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar is equal to 2OS bar. Third question, AO bar plus OB bar plus OC bar is equals to 2AS bar. all of you. It will be there on the board. You can copy later. I'm expecting all of you to be attentive and looking at the board. Two results from properties of triangles. Remember this. One, I have a triangle ABC. Circumcenter S. Draw a perpendicular. D. Perpendicular. E. Perpendicular. F. Circumcenter S. What is SA is equal to SB is equal to SC? बच्चों लोग waiting.
Circumradius.
Radius capital R. What is SD? What is SD?
2R
R cos A or 2R cos A? SD. R cos A. SE. R cos B. SC. R. No, not SC. SF. R cos C. याद है?
Yes, sir.
One more thing. ABC triangle. O is the orthocenter. O is the orthocenter. What was OA? 2R cos A.
Yes, sir.
OD? 2R cos B cos C. OB? 2R cos B. OE?
2R cos A cos C.
Cos A cos C. OC? 2R cos C. And OF? 2R cos A cos B. बच्चों लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This-
sir.
Both these results we proved in properties of triangles. Now, how to start this problem? Choose S as origin. I have a triangle ABC. Let this be S, let this be O. Circumcenter. I am choosing S as origin. Let this be A bar. Let this be B bar. Let this be C bar. Perpendicular, bisector, perpendicular, bisector. So what is D? D is the midpoint of AB, BC. Therefore, what will be the position vector of D? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Till now, I did not do anything. I just wrote two formulae from the chapter which we have learned earlier, properties of triangles. I just drew the figure. The only assumption which I am making is choose S as what? Origin. बच्चों लोग, what is SD? SD. SD. R cos A. बच्चों लोग, what is AO? AO,
2R cos.
2R cos A. Why am I writing AO? Why am I writing AO? Why am I writing AO? So that these are scalars. Once I put bars, they will become vectors. As vectors, they will be equal. That's why I put AO. I did not write OA. Why I did not write OA? If I write OA and SD, OA and SD, OA and SD, will they have same direction?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, what is the inference? Implies, bolo man, SD or 2SD is equal to AO. Am I correct? बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Implies 2SD bar is equal to AO bar. बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you have to find out? SA bar, SB bar, SC bar is equal to, what is SA bar? SA bar only. Remember my S is origin. My S is origin. So what is SB bar? B bar. SC bar, C bar. SA bar plus. But what is B bar plus C bar? What is B bar plus C bar? Position vector
2D.
of, in fact, SD bar. What is your SD bar? B bar plus C bar by 2. So what is your B bar plus C bar, man? Is it 2SD bar?
Yes, sir.
So this is 2SD bar. SA bar plus. But what is 2SD bar? But what is 2SD bar? AO bar. Vector addition. SA bar plus AO bar. Terminal point of first vector coincides with initial point of second vector. Then sum of the two vectors is initial point of first vector, terminal point of second vector. What does this gives you?
SO bar.
Is it what he has proved? Asked to prove. Look at second one. Bachalo, what is second one? OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar. What is OA bar? Position vector of A minus position vector of O. Remember, O is origin. O is not origin. O is orthocenter. I'll write here. OA bar is equal to position vector of A minus position vector of O. Remember, position vector means initial point is origin. Position vector means initial point is origin. What is my origin here? S. So what is position vector of A? Position vector of A. Am I correct? बच्चे लोग am I correct? So what is your OA bar? Follow. SA bar minus SO bar, SB bar minus SO bar, SC bar minus SO bar. What will I get? SA bar, SB bar, SC bar minus 3 SO bar. SA bar, SB bar, SC bar. हमने क्या प्रूव किया? SA bar, SB bar, SC bar हमने क्या प्रूव किया? बोलो भाई.
SO
bar. So SO bar minus 3 SO bar minus 2 SO bar, is that equals to 2 times OS bar? Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How did you make that minus into minus 2S? Yes, sir. Understood. Sir.
1 apple minus 3 apples, man. 1 apple
Direction,
minus
direction.
2
Sir.
apple minus 2 apples.
Yes, sir.
2 is bar. Now third question. What is third question? AO bar, bolo ji,
OB bar.
OB bar plus OC bar. What you will write? AO bar minus AO bar. OA bar add करेंगे. Minus OA bar, correct है? Plus OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar. Am I correct? I added and subtracted OA bar. Am I
Yes,
correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is minus OA bar?
Plus AO bar.
Plus AO bar. What is OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar?
2 OS.
2 OS bar. 2 common. AO bar plus OS bar. What is AO bar plus OS bar?
S bar. S bar.
AO bar plus OS bar. AS bar. That is what you are asking.
Yes, sir.
Once again. All of you, do not write. Do not write. Listen here. Do not write. Listen here. First. S. What is SD distance? R cos A. What is AO distance? 2R cos A. Therefore, what's the relation between these two? 2SD is equal to AO and 2SD bar is equal to AO bar. Is this clear first?
Yes, sir.
I'm proving first one. SA bar, SB bar, SC bar. SA bar, SB bar, SC bar. SA bar plus I've chosen S as origin. So what is SB bar plus SC bar? B bar plus C bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
But SD bar is B bar plus C bar by 2. So what is B bar plus C bar?
2S bar.
2SD bar. So इसके बदले में 2SD bar. But what is your 2SD bar? AO bar. SA bar plus AO bar. Adding these two will cancel off. SO bar, which is R. Next, what is, this is important one. What is vector AB bar? In fact, if there is place, there is no placement anywhere. I'm writing here, I'll clear off.
A bar minus position vector of A bar.
What do you mean by, wait man, what do you mean by a vector PQ bar? Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Quotient vector, physics में भी पढ़ते हैं. Quotient vector of Q minus quotient vector of P. What do you mean by quotient vector of Q? Initial point is origin. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब same thing I do. Quotient vector of A minus quotient vector of O. What was the initial point here? Origin. Or origin is the initial point. What is the initial point origin here? S is origin.
S.
A bar minus SO bar. Is this step clear?
Yes, sir.
Once you understand that, just apply the definition. You get the answer. Third one, add and subtract OA bar. Add and subtract OA bar. You can see the answer. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, copy this. Please do not look at the board. I cannot stand like this. Please take the help of the board. Try to prove it on your own. Thank you. Take the help of the board. Don't copy from the board. Please do not copy from the board. Please do not copy from the board. Take the help of the board. सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
अदनान है क्लास में?
नहीं है सर.
Sunday, what time you are writing exam?
2 o'clock, sir.
This Sunday you have a class from 10 to 12.
Sir, Giri sir,
Giri sir is having.
9 to 1.
Yes, sir.
Giri sir?
Giri sir is having classes from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock, sir, for us. is taking classes on Sundays.
Every
Four of-
Sunday it's taking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From last 3 Sundays. Sir.
This will be the last Sunday, sir.
I thought I will take class on Sunday, man.
Sir, you can take in evening, sir.
Sunday evening class लिया तो कैसा रहता? अच्छा नहीं रहता जी Sunday evening.
Today evening, sir.
सुबह को कौन सा अच्छा लगता
Completed, sir.
1 minute. Sir.
गिरी सर का क्लास है आधा घंटा सर काएंगे. Shall I take class from 8 to 9:30?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. On Sunday 8 to 9:30, sir.
Sunday 8 to 9:30.
Yes, sir.
Is it a combined class or single class?
Combined, sir, with games.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
है? Yes, sir.
What is subheading? Dot product. What do dot product basically speaks about? It speaks about projection. Look here, man. What is P? Follow, man. P is the foot of perpendicular from Q onto L. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is such point Q called? Bolo. What is such point called P? P is the projection of Q onto L. ऐसे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Next. These are parallel lines. बच्चों लोग pay attention. From C and D, draw perpendiculars. Let it be LM. Can you complete this in English? Can you complete this in English? Geometrically, I showed. Can you complete this in English? Shoaib, can you complete this in language called English?
M is the projection of D onto.
LM is the
Projection of CD on AB onto AB.
onto AB. A, B, C, D, dropped perpendicular. बोलो ना. Complete in English. बोलो man. AD is the बोलो man. I'm waiting. AD is the what? Projection of AC onto AB. 4. Look here. I want a vector. I have a vector. Vector का नाम A bar. How do I get a vector of magnitude alpha units along A bar? What is A bar by mod A bar? बोलो मैम. Plus or minus A bar by mod A bar is what? Tell me, man. Unit vector.
Yeah.
I think I should have used बड़ा ड्रॉ करेंगे. Direction is this way. Direction is opposite. Let this length be 1. Let this length be 1. Let the vector be A bar. Direction is this way. What is first one? Bachalo, what is first one? What is this? Bolo man. What is second one?
Minus A bar by mod A.
What is this? Unit vector along A bar. What is this? Unit vector whose direction
Yes, sir.
direction is opposite to that of
Yes, sir.
opposite to that of A bar. Now, how do I find a vector of magnitude alpha units? Alpha times A bar by mod A bar. What is this? Is a vector of magnitude alpha. Is it along A bar?
Yes, sir.
And minus alpha into is a vector of magnitude alpha whose direction, what is the direction?
Opposite to
Opposite to that of what?
A bar.
All these points clear?
Yes, sir.
Put this on paper. Come on. You read this in physics also. Do I need to repeat this again?
No, sir.
Chalo. You read them in physics also. Chalo. Jaldi. Isaac Hamza finished.
Yes, sir.
Azruddin done. Abdul Rahim done.
Completed, sir.
I'm clearing off. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Jasim, finished. Uttar Pradesh done.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Now pay attention. First one. Let this be A bar. It's nothing but OA. B bar. Drop a perpendicular. Let this meet at a point called L. बच्चे लोग in triangle OTL, let this angle be theta. In triangle OTL, बच्चे लोग what is cos theta?
OL by OB.
In triangle OBL, what is cos theta man?
OL by.
So what is OL?
Yes, sir.
What is OB?
B.
If OB is B bar, so what is OB? Is it mod B bar cos theta?
Sir, why mod B bar?
Because OB is scalar.
Yes, sir.
As a vector, its magnitude.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
By definition of dot product, what is A bar dot B bar man? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Implies A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar into what is mod B bar cos theta?
Well.
What is mod B bar cos theta?
OL.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is mod A bar? Magnitude of vector A bar. What is OL? What is OL? Projection of
OB on.
OB onto OA. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
That means magnitude of vector A bar into, speak in terms of vectors, projection of B bar onto A bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the left hand side? What is the left hand side?
A dot B.
A dot B. Right hand side? Magnitude of A bar into projection of B bar onto A bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is projection of B bar onto A bar?
OL.
implies projection of A bar dot B bar by magnitude of A bar, that is B bar dot A bar by mod A bar. What is this projection of B bar onto A bar? B bar onto A bar. B bar dot A bar by mod A bar. Similarly, what will be projection of A bar onto B bar? बोलो मैम, am I correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, why did you interchange B bar into B bar dot A bar?
I wrote A bar dot B bar as B bar dot A bar. लिख सकता हूँ ना?
Yes, sir.
A bar, because I'll get some order. B onto A, B dot A by A onto B, A dot B by B, B dot A by A dot B by B, B dot A by A dot B by B. For the
Yes, sir.
reason,
Yes, sir.
am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, I have magnitude A. What is OL? OL. What is OL? Scalar. I want vector OL bar. Then, what is vector OL bar? This OL is along A bar. Therefore, what I should write? बोलो ना, unit vector along A bar, correct है? Into magnitude of OL. बच्चे लोग am I correct? Unit vector along A bar, because OL is a part of OA. OL is part of OA. OL is part of OA. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is unit vector along A bar? बोलो मैम. Unit vector along A bar. Just now we wrote
A bar by mod A bar.
A bar by mod.
magnitude of OL. B bar cos theta. Mod B bar cos theta. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is this? A bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. What is cos theta? What is cos theta? A dot B by mod A mod B. Any terms cancel off. Any terms cancel off. What will I get? What will I get? A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
No. Also, what is vector OL bar plus LB bar?
OB bar.
OL bar plus LB bar. OL bar plus LB bar. बोलो मैम, triangle of addition.
Yes, sir. OB bar.
By triangle of addition. So what is your LB bar?
OB bar minus OL.
OB bar minus OL bar. B bar minus. What is OL bar? A bar dot
A
B
bar by
bar
mod A bar into
into. What is this vector LB? Is it perpendicular to OA or along OA?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. What are these vectors? OL bar and LB bar called? The vectors. बोलो man. Physics में पढ़ते ना? OL bar and LB bar are called. What are they? Components of B bar. सुने नाम? Components of B bar. Along A bar and perpendicular to A bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So, copy this. This is the, in fact, this is called geometric interpretation of dot product. I repeat what I have done. Pay attention. In triangle OBL, what is cos theta?
OL by
OL by OB
OL by OB. So what is OL is equals to?
cos
OB,
theta.
OB cos theta means mod B bar cos theta. What's the definition of dot product? A bar dot B bar is equals to mod A bar mod B bar cos theta. So A bar dot B bar equal to mod A bar into what is your mod B bar cos theta?
OL.
So mod A bar is magnitude of vector A bar. What is OL? I think second figure or third figure. Third point. Flip the pages back. Third figure देखो. What was OL? Projection of OB bar onto OA bar. Correct hai?
Yes, sir.
Which is nothing but projection of B bar onto A bar. Therefore, what will be the projection of B bar onto A bar? A bar dot B bar by
magnitude of A.
B bar dot A bar by mod A bar. Similarly, projection of A bar onto B bar. See, B onto A, B dot A by इसका magnitude. This on this, इसका dot product by इसका magnitude. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, OL is OB cos theta, mod B bar cos theta. It's a scalar. I want a vector. How do you find a vector? Find the unit vector, multiply by magnitude. Find the unit vector, multiply by magnitude. Unit vector along what? A bar. Magnitude. I just multiply. Then I use triangle law of addition. Am I correct? Copy this.
Excuse me.
Yeah, सुन रहा हूँ बोलो.
सर 6 पॉइंट पे स्केलर को वेक्टर बनाने यूनिट वेक्टर को मैग्नीट्यूड से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करें?
समझा नहीं, फिर से पूछो.
To make scalar quantity vector, we have to multiply its unit vector along magnitude into its magnitude.
नहीं जी, आप कंप्लीट करो. I need space on the board to complete. I'll explain. Okay.
Okay.
इसको जनरली उल्टा लेते हैं, b dot a by mod a bar into a bar by mod a bar.
Completed, sir.
Minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
1 to 6 तो मैं दे सकता हूँ ना, उत्तर प्रदेश. One to six.
Sir, don't have 6-1.
Somebody was asking me a doubt. Who was it?
Me, sir.
हाँ. एक वेक्टर है जी, इसका नाम p bar लिखो.
Yes, sir.
I want a vector of magnitude 5 units along p bar.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या करता हूं मैं पहले, एक यूनिट वेक्टर
Yes.
along the direction
Yes, sir.
multiplied by 5.
Yes.
बढ़ा दिया magnitude. Same thing I'm doing.
Yes.
OL is along a bar.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, I picked up a unit vector along a bar.
Yes.
Multiplied by this magnitude.
Understood, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, conclusions or UP. Can I clear this off?
1 minute. 7th, 8th.
Can I?
Yes.
Look here. What is a bar dot b bar? बोलो मैम. Definition. हाँ. Where theta is angle between, that is, what does this symbol stands for? Angle between the vectors a bar and b bar is theta. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
No. What sort of angle you have?
Acute.
Is this acute or obtuse?
Acute.
Acute.
A bar dot b bar implies and implied by theta is acute. Correct? What sort of angle?
Obtuse.
Obtuse. What happens to a bar dot b bar now?
less than 0.
How is theta?
Obtuse.
What is this? A bar dot B bar 0.
Cos theta 90.
Theta is
90.
right angle. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
No. What is projection of A bar onto B bar? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
B bar onto A bar.
B bar A bar by mod A bar.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What we have done is this. In the diagram which we drew, earlier, फिर से ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं मैं O A B B bar. I drop the perpendicular L. What is OL is equal to? OL is nothing but
Projection of OB on OA.
B bar onto A bar.
Yes, sir.
What is projection vector? Projection vector of B bar along A bar. That is vector OL bar. What was vector OL bar? B dot A by mod A into A bar by mod A bar. It is there in the notes.
Yes, sir.
Just now we wrote point here. Is it the same? I wrote A dot B there in the notes, which I am writing as B dot A. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, 7th point. We are just writing conclusions. What is projection of B bar perpendicular to A bar? B bar minus B dot A by mod A into A bar by mod A bar. Am I correct? Dot product is commutative. Bachalo, what do you mean by this?
A plus B.
B bar equal
A
to
plus
what?
B is equal to B. Yes.
B. Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Is it associative? बोलो मैम. True or false? True or false? False, not true. Why? A bar dot B, if at all it is associative, it should be like this. Is something like this possible?
No.
Because B dot C is a scalar. Dot product between vector and a scalar is not defined. Scalar and a vector is not defined. This is scalar. This is vector. Hence, is it defined? Not defined. Next. Dot product is distributive. What do you mean by this, man?
A plus
What do
B
you mean
into
by
C.
this? A bar dot B plus C. What is this?
AB.
Am I correct?
Yes.
चलो कॉपी दो 5 मिनट में हो जाना jaldi, फटाफट. They're all simple things. Can I clear left hand side?
Yes, sir.
Uttar Pradesh. Can I clear LHS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah,
Sir, 7-1, I am not understanding, sir. 7th one.
अभी प्रूव कराना जी projection of B bar perpendicular to A bar, LB bar. This means
Okay, sir.
Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Can I clear 5, 6, 7?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look here. What do you mean by A bar dot B bar? बच्चों लोग बोलो बोलो मैम am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by LA bar dot MD bar? This is A bar. Let this be B bar. What will be LA bar? A bar hai. What will be LA bar? Increase the magnitude by L times. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? This is B bar. Increase the magnitude by M times. What is this? Is the angle changing?
No, sir.
So what is LA bar dot MB bar? Modulus of LA bar,
Modulus
modulus
of
of MB bar, cos of angle between LA bar and B bar. Whatever is the angle between A bar and B bar, same is the angle. Sum is the angle. Sum is the angle between LA bar and MB bar.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, that will also be theta. What am I trying to say? Bola. LA bar dot
MB bar.
MB bar is equal to LM times A bar dot B bar.
Yes,
A
sir.
bar dot MB bar. M times A bar dot B bar. Bolo. LA bar dot B bar. L times A bar dot B bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
अबरार क्लास में हो भागे आवाज नहीं
Class
आ
में
रहा
है sir. Yes sir.
है अबरार
Yes sir.
look at फिजिक्स में कर दे let A bar be A1I A2J A3K B bar be B1I B2J plus B3K. What is A bar dot B bar? बोलो मैम
1 into B1 I cap.
mod A bar mod B bar cos theta.
Cos
So what is cos theta?
90.
बोलो what is A bar dot B bar? Correct है? Denominator root of sigma A1 square into root of sigma B1 square. बचे लोग हम अगर
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by mod A bar whole square?
A bar.
This is nothing but I should have written this way. A bar square is equal to what? Why is this so? Why is this so? बोलेंगे since A bar square is equal to what? A bar dot A bar. What is A bar dot A bar? Mod A bar into mod A bar cos of angle between A bar and A bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but mod A bar, mod A bar. What is cos of angle between A bar and A bar?
Cos.
Zero. Cos 0 is 1. So क्या देगा? That's the reason why. That's the reason why all algebraic formulae will hold good in dot product. All algebraic formulae will hold good in dot product. What am I trying to say? Bolo. What is A bar plus or minus B bar whole square? Algebra. Bolo. Mod A bar square 2 times. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is A bar plus B bar? Dot A bar minus B bar. And
Yes.
what is A bar plus B bar whole square plus or minus A bar minus B bar whole square? What does plus wala gives you? Correct? What do minus wala gives you? A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square, 4AB.
Yes.
And finally, what is this? Mod A square, mod B square, mod C square. Bolo. 2A dot B, B dot C, C dot A. Am I correct, man?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In fact, A छोड़ देता हूँ. A bar, B bar और unit vector. हाँ. A bar comma B bar theta. Then, बच्चों लोग, what is modulus of A bar plus B bar? Modulus of A bar minus B bar. Come on, do the 15th one. चलो, start copying them. Do the 15th one. Abrar finished. Shoaib finished. నల్గొండ అస్సలు మాట్లాడతలేవు ఉన్నావా క్లాస్ లా Nalgonda.
Updates.
Done, man. This 15th one we'll prove tomorrow. It is already 1:40 in my watch. I promised Abrar I'll leave between 1:40 1:45. Abrar, yaad hai? Abrar. You can leave. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.